I'm Diana, your health service. Hope you all in good health. So, is it true that an apple a day keeps the doctors away? Apples are an amazing gift of God. It is rich in many health nutrients. Apple contains very high amount of fiber, which help you to keep bowel clean and prevent you from constipation. See what are some healthy benefits of eating an apple. 1. Reduce intestinal disorder. Fiber in apple has been shown to reduce intestinal disorders like constipation, hemorrhoids, and others. Number 2. Antioxidants. Apple and apple peels have potent antioxidants activity. 100 grams of apple or 1 serving of apple equivalents to 1,500 milligrams of vitamin C. Number 3. Diabetes and weight loss. Apples have higher quercetin that is associated to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Regular eating of an apple lowers blood glucose level, and it also helps weight loss, particularly to the middle-aged overweight women. Number 4. Asthma and pulmonary function. Because of its rich ingredient, regular intake of an apple is a natural remedy for asthma and general pulmonary health. Number 5. Brain health. Apple with balanced diet protects against oxidative brain damage that can lead to memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. So, it turns out that eating an apple a day really keeps the doctors away. But, you've gotta eat the peel. Apples are still extremely good for our health and should be part of our daily diet.